Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur a face in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to blur a face, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Now choose the video in which you want to add blur to the face. And click here to add it to your timeline. Now here, to add blur to the face, simply click on sticker and select the details option. And from here you can choose different kind of blur effects. But for now, I'll choose mosaic and try to cover the face of the subject just like this. And click here to add the blur to the face in this video. Now if we click play on the video, it'll look like this. Now we can also increase the length of the blur just like this. And furthermore, we can also increase the size of the blur. And now if we play the video, the face of the subject has been blurred. And just like this, we can blur a face in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.